Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I will be back testing with my peer and then we will be talking. So I want us to have a one-to-one discussion on this channel. I remember I dropped some questions on the WhatsApp group asking some questions and you guys responded. First of all, the first question was for those who are struggling to who have like struggling to become profitable in forex trading. I asked about the trading ambition, if you wanted to become a day trader and stuff like that. I also asked about if you trade with indicators and um, discuss the core things you need to focus on as a beginner. So today I will just be back testing and then be talking. First of all, in forex trading, the first thing you are going to experience as a beginner when it comes to forex trading, trust me, it's it's hectic, right? You are going to experience a lot of things from different people, in the sense that you are going to meet people who would flaunt lifestyle in front of you. They're just going to be flaunting lifestyles, telling you this is how we do, this is how forex traders do, this is this, da, 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 and you are going to believe it, and you just wanting to make money quick, and you think you can make money in 3 months, 1 month. You think you're smart, you can just go on YouTube and learn one or two things off YouTube. Trust me, you can only go on YouTube to learn forex trading when you already have the basic solid knowledge that you need, when you already know what you are doing. Then you can go to YouTube to redefine your strategy, redefine your knowledge. You don't go to YouTube as a beginner and think you can learn something on your own. You keep running around circles because you keep learning things you should not be learning, then confusing yourself. Then when you meet a trader who knows their onions and they're trying to guide you, you will be arguing and causing conflict where it should not be. You'll be arguing that I learned this and it's supposed to be like this, and then the person saying no, what you learned is way above your knowledge, and that's why you're having conflict in your trades, right? So to become profitable and then be like have a consistent win, you need to just have one strategy. Every trader has one working strategy. Well, at the beginning of your trading career, you'll literally be studying different kind of strategies, but at the end of the day, you're going to realize that they all boil down to just one. Yeah, they all boil down to what? Just one strategy. Just one strategy. So you are busy trying to cram everything at the same time and act like I know it all. Nobody can know it more than me. Sorry. Nobody can know it more than me. This forex trading, I'm going to show them that I'm the best. This, that. There is no best when it comes to forex trading. There is no expert when it comes to forex trading, right? So you're always going to learn one of two things at the crossroad. When you fail, you learn from your failures. Many people don't want to learn from their failures. They want to just be there. They want to prove what is not. They are not ready to learn from the failures and experiences that they have. So it is more like uh if I fail, let me go and learn another new strategy. Someone will come up and tell you, oh, this strategy works for me, oh, this one worked for me, that one worked for me, oh, I made 100k from this strategy, I made 200k from this strategy. You too, you carry yourself, and then you start learning different things you shouldn't know, instead of trying to redefine your own strategy and know what is what. You get? And then when you are able to break down what works for you, you understand the strategy you are using and know that this is what I am doing, this is what I'm used to, you will be profitable. Trust me. If you understand your risk management, you know, okay, I want to risk at least 30% of my account this month. If I'm risking 10% or 20% or 30% of my account for that month, that means per trade I want to take in a day, I should be risking at least 0.5 or 1.5 per trade. So I need, if I'm aiming to make a 3:1 of my account, so if my account is like 10k for instance, right, and I'm saying, okay, out of 10k I want to make times 3 of this 10k, I want to make 10% of my account, right? I want to make 20% of this particular account this end of the month. I want to make it. Sit down and calculate how much you want to make. What is your risk? How much are you risking? How much are you aiming to achieve from that particular account, right? So if you are saying, okay, I have like a 20k account, I want to risk 10% of this account to make at least 30% of this account by the end of the month. So you are looking at your risk and then what you are risking for the month and how much you are targeting to make for the month. If it's 4% of your account, no problem. You're risking 1% of that account for the whole month, still no problem. You just know what you want to do. If you are risking 1% per trade or 1% per day of the trades you see, because not every day you see strategies, so it's not every day you see setups. It's not every day you're going to see setups. Trust me, it is not every day. You're not going to see setups every single day, right? You're not going to see setup every single day when you're a trader. With time, you get to see that you don't even need to trade every single day. You just plan yourself. This is what I want to achieve. This is what I want to achieve. This is what I'm aiming for. And if I'm risking 1% per trade, that means I should be making at least 3% per day. So if I'm risking 1% of my account to make 3% of that account per trade, that means that's what I should make. Then you calculate how much you target you to make at the end of the month. So proper risk management is very important. Your psychology is very important. If you keep on looking at people on social media, you're not going to grow. I'm talking from experience. If you're looking at people from social media, you're not going to grow at all. So just forget that. Whatever you're seeing on social media is an illusion of a lifestyle that you are dreaming of. But when you start comparing yourself with those people, as a person is doing this, one day I'll go ham, one day I'll do. If you carry that mindset for it, you're going to have like fall into depression several times. You're going to feel hopeless. You're going to feel this is not working. This is not working. You're going to blow accounts. Yeah. Because you are not like bringing yourself down to understand what you are doing. So you're trying to be like someone you should not be like, right? So you're trying to be like someone, don't mind what I'm doing anyways. So you're trying to be like someone you are not meant to be like, because you are aiming for sorry you are aiming for what you haven't sat down to prepare yourself for. So when you are struggling, you keep on scrolling down your Instagram page and you keep on burning money into knowledge you shouldn't burn. Then you start joining people to be dragging who is best, who is this, who is the superhero in forex, who is the guru in forex. You don't need that. That will not make you profitable. You want to be profitable, you plan yourself, you plan your trade, you plan how many days do I want to trade in a week. 2 to 3 days I'm done. Monday to Friday I'm not trading. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, that is my timetable. Create your timetable. Timing. Oh, I want to only trade London section. No problem. Focus on London section. Anything outside my London section, I'm not going to trade. Oh, I want to just be setting limits on my trade, and when the trade activates, I leave it. I know where I'm targeting from. Oh, I want to be this, I want to be that. You plan yourself. I don't trade with indicators because indicators are not like 100% accurate. Everybody will say, oh, trade with indicators, they do Fibonacci. At the long run, you just realize they're all around circles. Make your chart very simple. Your chart needs to be very simple. Make your chart light and very simple for you to understand, and then it will not be confusing you. Always clean up your chart the next day. Wipe the whole of your chart and reanalyze the market again to see where the market is going, because sometimes the market can change direction, and if you are looking at 4 hours, 3 hours, and not looking at what's happening in daily, thinking you've done it, my dear, you blow accounts. You would be messing with your psychology. So try sometimes to always reanalyze your market every single day before you trade. Go back and check, is there any new movement? Is there any new movement that I don't know about? What's happening? What is this? What is that? Just go back and check it out. It's very important. And also I also wanted to talk about the fact that in the forex industry there's toxicity everywhere, so you need to keep your ears shut. You need to keep your ears short. You need to keep everything around you short. Like, close up your ears to the noise from social media, because it's not going to help you grow, and that's fact. Close up your ears to social media because it's not going to help you grow. It's only going to just make you feel demoralized more and more. It's only going to help you feel demoralized more and more. So you have to close up your ears to social media if you really, really, really want to go far. Like you really, really want to go far, right? Close up your ears to social media. It will take you a while. It will take you a while. Yeah, it'll take you a while to become better at your trades. Do you get? It will take you a while to become better at your trades. To become better at whatever you are doing. So you need to such like close up your eardrums. Stop looking at people's tweets. Stop looking at how much they are making. Wherever they're posting screenshot, tell yourself, I'll get there. I'm going to be better. I'm going to keep on practicing, 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 practicing. I'm going to expand my knowledge and I'm going to get to that point. I'm going to get it. Um I'm just trying to backtest something, so don't really look at my chat. I just want to just make sure everybody knows what they're doing. Do you understand? Like, ask yourself questions, challenge yourself, like really do it. You can, as a beginner in forex trading, you can really scale up. If you want to trade prop firm account, make sure you traded a live trading account for a very long period of time before you can now tell yourself, okay, I can, since I've done this, I've done that, I've done this and that and that, then I can what's the language I want to use? Since I've done this and that and this, then I can actually, you know, train myself up and push myself up. Do you get? I've traded my live account. Do you get? And I'm working so hard. I want to achieve so. This is possible. If I can do it in my live trading account and I've made so money, I just need to plan myself. If it's chart patterns you want to focus on it. If it's this or that, focus on. Let me just tell you something. If you want to grow in forex trading, right? Understand chart patterns. Understand your candlestick. Understand your trends. Understand when market wants to create a new high and a new low. It is so important. A new high, a new low, a new low, and a new high, any which one. Your trends, understand how they move. This will help you so well when you're analyzing your trades, analyzing your market. Your analysis is very important. There's no $1 billion strategies. You just need to know what works and focus on what works. That is like that is the only thing I can tell you. Focus on what works. Yeah, tap into it on daily. Focus on what works, right? And don't remove your mind from it. Don't remove yourself, don't remove your mind from it. Trust me, you are going to go far, far, and far. You're going to go far, far, and far beyond your imaginations, because the moment you start challenging yourself to go far and telling yourself that I can do it, if A can do it, if B can do it, still going up, down, up, down. If A can do it, if B can do it, then I can do it. Do you understand? Like, if they can do it, then I can do it. If they cannot do it, that doesn't mean I can't do it either. And also, my final advice as a beginner in trading is that you should know what you are doing. It's very, very important. Yeah, I targeted this place for a short sell here and I tapped in and went down. So I'm looking at this daily, right? So if price gets to this part, it's likely it's going to drop into this place here. It's likely going to drop into this place here, short, and but probability of it is going to break above this over here. So I marked this place here for price to break above it, because I'm trying to like back test some things and I'm watching as price is going high, pacing low, higher lows and higher highs on this particular place. Yeah, getting better and better. So just know what you are actually looking for in the market. Know what the market is telling you it wants to do. Focus on it. There is no win-win. There is no loss. If you are losing consistently, go back and study what you've learned before. Don't try to learn from a new person. It will cause confliction, right? So go back, learn what videos you watched before. Go back, go through your journals. Having a journal is very important as a forex trader. It is so important that you won't even know the benefit of it till you go back to read it. That's so funny about this forex trading. Like if you are taking trades, write down, am I waiting for price to get here? Okay, my analysis I'm respecting from higher time frame, because price respect the higher time frame. My analysis I'm expecting from higher time frame. What is price going to do at this point, right? Is price going to go there, going to go there? Then am I going to wait for 15 minutes or 30 minutes to wait for a chart pattern to flow? So if price gives me a double bottom on my chart patterns, am I going to take my entry? The double bottom is this is a double bottom, 1 2 at the demand area. This is a demand area here. Backing from my daily time frame, I just went to 4 hours to check. If I wanted to modify it, I'll modify it to this place here, and still price not even come to that place. It just respected and went back up. And now I am not expecting price to respect anyway. I know that price is likely to tap into this place and sell short. So I was expecting price to get to this space, sell short, or probably sell, tap into this area and continue going up. That's my actually projection. So anyways, I'm just showing you one or two things. So the price tapped in and then so went down and came back up again. So I'm just on 4 hours just testing one or two things to see what price wants to do, because I'm expecting price to actually break above that place. Done. Then give me a retest, because the break above is from a daily time frame. So I was waiting for price to break above, give me a retest. And price is literally not giving too much arrows from 4 hours. But if I go down to my 1 hour and 15 minutes, I'll see possible entries around those areas. So it's just I just want to just explain a few things. So yeah, that is it for today. I hope you guys learned one or two things, and I really want to see everybody grow. I know that I've not been posting signals on the group. I've been away studying and also being careful not to drop any house signals that will not be beneficial to your pocket. And I know some of you have blown your account. Congratulations, welcome to the new what forex trading looks like. You blow account die as you get better. So until next time, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and yeah,